today we'll be working with Scratch only, and I'll be telling how you can interact, how two sprites can interact with each other, like interaction between the two sprites. So it will be a animation, and the game I thought to create with Scratch, I am dropping that plan. I am leaving it to your creativity. That now you know all functioning of motion, looks, sensing. So now I am leaving it to you that you should apply your own mind, arranging all the given sets into a game. Today you will know more about sensing the messages, like interaction between two sprites. So today we'll be working with that. And today itself I'll be showing you one more new product gadget, that is 3D pen. I got it earlier last year only, so I thought to make a video of that. So today I'll be making that video also. As I promised, I'll make such videos that you can do at your home. So Scratch is that video that you can do on your computer, and 3D pen I'll be giving a introduction video and making S with the 3D pen. So let's start today's video. Thank you for joining this video. Stay home, stay safe, this makes others safe, and stay home for yourself, for someone else family. Your family is waiting for you at home. Stay at home for these 21 days. Thank you for joining this video. Now let's start the video. So friends, first open Scratch. So today we'll be working with interaction between two sprites. Means one sprite will speak something and other will sense it and answer it. So earlier we were pressing the keys, and keys were giving the commands, but now certain messages that will be broadcasted. It is broadcasting. We'll use broadcasting under control section. So if some messages will be broadcasted and someone will sense it and answer according to it. So today we'll be working it will be one interaction between a lady and a doctor. So, and today I'll be teaching you how you can add sprites from your images that you have downloaded from internet or your own face. So today first I'll delete this sprite. So you need to choose new sprite. It is given here, choose new sprite from the file. Go here. Earlier we used to select sprites from costumes that were preloaded sprites uh, from scratch. So today we will be learning how you can change a image into a sprite without background. So I have downloaded an image of doctor. So we will be working on that today. So I have saved it on desktop, a folder named EFC. So this is a cartoon male doctor. You can select it directly, but when we'll work again and again on it, and further you will see some problems. Then I'll tell you what is the problem between this in this sprite. So then I'll select a lady from the costumes itself. We'll select a cartoon lady only. So you can see this has some white background, so it covers the area. When we'll select a room, now we'll change the stage because it's not looking nice. Interaction should be look more realistic and like an animation. So we'll select the stage. So click on stage. So here you will see backgrounds. So click on backgrounds and click on import. Here you have many backgrounds. So I'll be selecting room 3 background as the background. So here you can see the doctor is covering the background. This is a very big problem. So we'll be removing the background, not in Scratch but in PowerPoint. So open your PowerPoint and insert the image that you inserted in Scratch, that was in EFC folder. If you remember, on desktop EFC folder, this was the image. So here Select the image and click on format. When you will click on format, you can remove the background. Remove background. So here you have to drag it so that whole image is covered. Still some area of coat is left. The background is removed. So click on marked area to keep, and keep this area, and this area. Now you don't have to save the file, you have to save the image. So click on this and right click, you will see save as picture. So I'll save this picture in EFC folder only as picture 2. Save. Now I'll go in Scratch, remove this sprite and import that image without the background. So it's here. So now it's looking like sprite that is given in Scratch. So we can also make sprites by removing the background, or if we are working with white background, so we can we no need not to change the white background. So I have changed it because we are working with a colored background, so it would have covered it. So this is a very big sprite, you need to compress it. So click on this shrink sprite, it is given on the top, and click on the sprite, it will reduce the size of the sprite. And we need to increase the size of lady, so click on grow sprite. So this lady is now, both are equal. So now we'll keep the lady here and doctor will be standing here on the table. So now we'll be working with first lady. A lady will come to the doctor. Let's edit the stage. I'll tell you how you can edit the pre-installed stages. Click on edit. When you go on background, click on edit. This will appear. So I want to write a doctor here. So first I'll make a plus sign uh, that is given in doctor, like what comes to our mind when we see doctor is a plus sign. So this will come here, drag it from here, and I'll write doctor. So reduce the size. Then drag it here. Okay. Now it's looking like a clinic. I'll change the color to black and it would be red only. Okay, red is fine. So now it's look like a clinic. Now we'll start the interaction. Now click on sprite 2 and we'll control it with spacebar only. When it will control, so first it will greet doctor. So we'll click on looks, then say hi, say hello. Okay, say hi. Then you need to broadcast hello, because you cannot sense anything without broadcasting it. So broadcasting is a like a control, so you will get it under control tab. So click on broadcast, click on broadcast and select new, and you need to write a message like I'll write hello. So she will broadcast hello after saying hello. So then the doctor will respond. Doctor will respond after he will sense it, after he'll receive the broadcast. So he will not work and be controlled after some space key or some key. He will be controlled after the broadcast message. So that is when I receive hello. That was the broadcast message. Then doctor will greet her with hello. Let's make it high. Okay. So first let's test it. Okay, so this is done. Then lady will ask something. Then again we'll like write on looks and she'll say I am very worried. So then we need to broadcast it. So broadcast this. So it's not every time necessary that you need to write that sentence. You can write anything else because it will not be displayed. So I'll write 67 at that she'll broadcast 67 after that 56. Then sprite 3 will sense it. When I receive 56, I will say what happened. Then he will say, oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? So let's test it. So this is done. Oh, what happened? Now again, now she'll ask, I'm worried because now she'll start the conversation with, I am worried because of COVID-19. Then she'll broadcast again one message. A new message that will be 45. Okay. Then doctor will sense it when I receive 45. Then he'll deliver a long message. I'll type that. So friends, I have typed the message. So friends, here we left something. We didn't. We left to put weight between broadcast 1 and 2. So if we'll not put weight, then there will be a clash and overlap of two messages. So first we'll put weight between the broadcast. See, here we'll go on sprite 2 and between the broadcast hello we'll put weight from control section. I'll take weight and I'll put weight for around 2 seconds and again I'll put weight here in broadcast below broadcast below say and I'll put weight around for below broadcast 56 also we need to wait. It will wait for around 2 seconds. So now there will be no overlap of the messages. So now let's start it from the beginning and I'll increase it to full screen. I'll press spacebar. Hello, hi. I'm worried. Oh, what happened? I'm worried because of COVID-19. Then the doctor replies, just wash your hands with soap and stay away from crowded places. Stay at home and stay safe. This was the message that we conveyed from today's video and we learned how two sprites can interact with each other with broadcasting feature. So now it's up to you. Your creativity can make Scratch a big thing and you can use your creativity to make games animations and many complex applications with Scratch. Thank you for watching this video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.